What doing?
Trying to find out where the lights are going to go.
Oh, this is the big light thing, is it?
Yeah.
Right.
And you'd actually mark the middle for me.
Yes, we did that last week.
Why are you telling me to measure it then?
You need to put where the base is going to sit, so I know where the wires are going to go. Oh, God. This is going to be fun.
Right, that's where that one's going to go. Now I've got to work out how high that is from there.
Do you need my help?
Yeah, what I need is your big long spirit level.
I know.
Could you fetch it, please?
I could.
Will you?
Don't know. Here we go.
Here we go.
The first curve is the deepest. Channeling time.
What are you doing to the walls?
Channeling.
Crikey. Is that not plaster then, that wall?
Plasterboard.
Plasterboard, all right. Okay.
Catch me in my bloody dressing gown.
Well, you always do DIY in your pyjamas, don't you? Wow. Right, we'll leave you to making a mess then.
Oh.
Still in your dressing gown then?
Yeah.
So what are you doing now?
Making a mess.
That doesn't really help the viewers, does it?
Ain't my viewers, they're your viewers.
Well,
I'm channeling the walls and putting electrical cable in them. I'm sure I'll be doing it completely wrong, and the comments will tell me so. But I don't read the comments, so I don't care.
oh dear. Everybody has their own way of doing things, oh dear.
Yeah, what's that old adage? Opinions are like a-holes. Everybody has one and most of them stink.
That's not very nice. Oh dear. Right, on that revelation.
I'm all positive because I did my diversity and inclusion training earlier.
Oh, lovely. Yeah.
Yeah, that was nice.
Yeah.
Enjoyed that.
Okay.
There you go. Wires are in.
Perfect.
Just
Right.
need a quick skim over to tidy it up and chop the cables, put lights up, and you can do the rest. I'll walk away. Somebody wants you.
Can't see you because you were behind the
Nobody
cupboard.
wants to see me. Not in my dressing gown.
Not in your dressing gown. All right. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Well, a little bit more done. Obviously waiting for the filler to dry. And then I can do all the wiring up. Shouldn't take too long at all. But just been cutting in around the top there. And on the corners, bottom, around the fireplace, that sort of thing. So once I got all the wires done and put 3 or 4 coats on the wall of matte, I almost said gloss. It's not even gloss. Wouldn't even be silk. It's matte. So yeah, once I put about 3 coats of matte on the wall, then yeah, this wall will be about finished. I've got some little bits and bobs, some fettling to do, like around the fireplace here. I think I'm going to just put a bead of silicone down there just to tidy it up. It's always been that way, but I've always hidden it with wallpaper before. Now it's paint. You can't hide it, so I just tidy that up. But little jobs, nothing major. Yeah, just need all the filler to dry properly, not just on the surface. And yeah, and just go over it with a quick skim, rub that back, and yeah, we'll be about ready. Right, it's getting on again. So it gets really dark really quickly now, so I don't get much done because looking at it through these lights, it ain't good. Anyway, that will do for tonight. More to come. Well, just making use of the last bit of daylight. All the wiring's all done, all the filling's done, sanded down, brackets are on the wall, there and there, all the stuff's wired up. So just putting some coats over the areas that need it, and then rollering, and that'll be about it.
Hello.
Ow!
Oh, you haven't.
It's because you distracted me.
My fault. Everything's my fault. Right. So, what's going on this evening then?
I have no idea.
Right.
You don't seem to tell me what's going on.
Oh, whatever. Right. If you hadn't guessed, we are putting a couple of panels on this wall, either side of where the TV goes. Here. So, and then in the middle of each panel is going to be a wall light. So Adrian has channelled the walls and put electrics in. And we've just spent the last, 2 hours trying to work out where these panels are going. Cutting the edge, the trims, was easy, wasn't it? Because we bought a new little gizmo.
Just there.
Oh, yeah. This. Oh, if I can get it in shot. There it is. Yeah. That's what he used. Was it easy?
Seems to be fairly easy.
Excellent. Okay, so now we've done one side and drawn it all out on the wall. The first piece of trim is about to go up. This could be where the swearing starts.
It's already started.
Oh. Yeah. My name has been mud for a while.
You're not very good at explaining things. You
Well,
just assume.
I just assumed you'd know.
Well, I've never done it before, so how would I know?
No, so this could go horribly wrong.
It's your project. You're supposed to be the project manager,
And I haven't managed.
and you haven't managed it at all.
That's because I've never been a manager.
And you shouldn't start bloody projects. should you?
Right, we will leave it there and we'll come back when we've got something to show you. Wish us luck.
Right. Go on, Matt.
And the second one is going up.
Yeah.
Are they going up all right?
Yep.
Sticking well enough?
Yep.
What is it you're using?
Unibond, no more nails.
No.
It's quite good stuff, the Unibond stuff.
Yeah?
Used it on the skirting boards before.
All
The
right.
skirting boards around the house are stuck with this.
Me and Nathan chose well then.
After a call on the internet, yeah.
Well, yeah. It's looking nice. It's coming across as quite pale on the camera. You can't see very much, so I hope you can kind of see what's going on. And then I think after this it's painting.
Oh, yeah?
I can help if you like. If you've got a me-size roller.
Yeah, that's not.
All right. You've done the rest of it. You might as well finish it. No, it's looking good. Well done, considering you haven't done that before. It's looking all right.
Yeah, even though the project manager ain't got a clue what they're doing.
Well, she's never project managed before, so there you go. Stop moaning, as you'll get no tea tomorrow.
Way. Take away then.
Not till Friday. Oh, look, he's faffing now. It's women who are supposed to faff.
Right.
I know it's got to be right. Okie dokie, we'll come back. Say bye for now.
Yeah. Yeah. All right for some, isn't it? Sitting around while I'm working.
I'm just making sure they look right. Getting used to them. They look good.
Does my roundhouse kick still work?
Does mine?
You couldn't get your foot above your kneecap. Well, there you go. There's some panels on the wall and they've got some paint on them. And now you can't see them.
They look good. They're going to look even better when the lights are up. And the telly's up. And the carpet's been washed.
Right.
Right.
Say goodbye. Yes, it's late at night. Yes, I'm still working. Yeah. Oh, glad when it's all done. Oh, yeah.
To another blooming Christmas.
And there you go. Yes, it's ridiculously late at night, but got the paint on the walls. So tomorrow I can start fitting everything up, getting the lights on the wall, getting tidied up, getting the carpet washed, and move back into a living room again. Because it's been a bit of a struggle without it. Right, that'll do for tonight. Catch you later.